What causes bash to pause after a bad command? When you are typing a bad command, say you want to do, but instead you type too fast and end up hitting enter between L and S, so you get this happens all the time, of course, when we type fast. What I'm curious about is the source of the 2.5 seconds, on my system, pause after the bad command text appears on the screen. Seems to me it recognizes the bad command instantly, prints error message about it, but then just for fun waits 2.5 seconds before returning me to the command line. What causes this? Is there a way fix to this? It's a small annoyance, but I'd like to get rid of it. Smile. Edit, running Fedora 16 system.
This type of behavior is caused by a tool frequently installed on some distributions that hook into bash. This hook makes it so that if you try to run a command, and the command doesn't exist, then bash will search the files available in the configured repositories, and tell you what package you would need to install to get that command. If you are not on a Debian system, you'll want to look at your bash, startup files, profiles and so on, and see if anything defines the function named command_not_found_handle. If that bash function is defined, then it will be called whenever you run a command and an appropriate program cannot be found in your search path. If you run tipset less and browse through the output, you will see the command_not_found_handle function if it has been defined. On Debian/Ubuntu, the package that provides this behavior is command not found. If you purge that, then you will disable the lookups, which does slow things down. Here is an example. The exact time would of course be different for you. I ran my tests on a pretty beefy server.
Part of the question was, is there a way to fix this in Fedora? There is, at the bottom of your bash file at the command. Unset command_not_found_handle. You probably want to do it at the end of your bash, or close to it, because you might be running /etc/bash or other bash scripts at the top of your bash.
On Fedora, this behavior can be controlled by changing the /etc/packagekit/command-not-found.conference configuration file. Setting software sources search equals false will get rid of the delay, since it will not try to locate a package with the missing command using the package manager. You can also change the amount of time it will wait for a package search instead by changing the max search time equals 2000 option to indicate the number of milliseconds you are willing to wait for the package search to return a match. I find that the default of 2 seconds is not long enough to return any matches and just causes an unwanted delay when you have a typo. Either bump up the max search time to provide useful output, or disable software sources search to eliminate the delay altogether.